Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on post view history on TikTok story on TikTok apps. Okay, uh, you can open your TikTok apps. Okay, and after this, in here you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the three lights icon at the top. And then click on the setting and privacy. And after this, in here just click on the privacy, and now you can swipe down until you can see post view. Okay, click on it and click on this icon until a blue button like this. So if you turn on this post view history, you can see you can see the status, you can see uh the people see your post like this. So that's how to turn on post view history on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.